In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color on Google Sites. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your browser and go to Google Sites. If you're already signed into your Google account, you should see a list of your existing sites, along with an option to create a new one. Take a moment to locate the site you want to edit. This will usually appear as a tile or a card with the site's name and thumbnail. Click on the site you want to work on to open it in the editor. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your page layout in the center, a toolbar on the right, and options like Insert, Pages, and Themes along the side. Now, to change the background color of a specific section, move your mouse over that section on the page. As you hover, you'll see a small toolbar appear on the left or right side of that section. Look for the palette icon, which looks like a little paint tray. Click on that palette icon. This opens the section background options. You'll see a few style choices here. These are tied to the theme you're currently using. When you click on each style, the background color or shading of that section will change automatically based on the colors defined by your theme. Try clicking through them to preview how each one looks. If one of those options works for you, you can leave it there and move on. If you don't like any of the colors you're seeing, you'll want to adjust the theme itself. On the right-hand side of the screen, click on the Themes tab. This will open a panel with different theme designs. Each theme comes with its own default font styles and color palette. Within the theme you've selected, you'll see a row of color circles. Click on these circles to quickly switch between the preset color combinations. As you do this, the background options available in your sections will update to match the new theme colors. If you want even more control, look for the color circle with a little paint bucket icon. Click on that. A color picker will open and you'll see a field where you can enter a color code. Click into the color code field and type in your custom color, such as a specific hex code you've chosen. Once you confirm it, that custom color becomes part of your theme, and your section backgrounds can now use it for a more personalized look.